Is it Sunday? No idea. Last seconds of winning time though. Okie dokie. Bets and close letting strikes. 15, 16, 75x and 15, 50x and 16. Good luck. Double 1 and 2. 4 to get a low number 4. 167 winners. Congratulations. Now 3. Mel, Fick, and Heb. Enjoy those winnings. Mel, impressive. Bets are open. So for the last few rounds, we have had both high and low numbers. Last seconds of betting time before the lightning strikes. Bet to close lightning strikes. 5, 6, and any double. 30x and 6, 50x and 5. Good luck. Two, 4, 6, 12 together. High number 12. 182 winners. Congratulations. Top 3, JK. Wonderful player whose name I cannot read. Azul. Enjoy the swings. Bets are open. Wait, doesn't Azul mean blue? Doesn't it mean blue in Filipino? I'll say it's betting time. Bets goes on the strikes. 3, 12, 13, 80 triple. High, 1x and 80 triple. Good luck. 1, 3, 5. Now to get a low number 9. 199 winners. Congratulations. Top 3. Heb, Azul, and Abdul. Enjoy those winnings. Bets are open. Welcome, Ella. Hi. How are you doing? How's it going? How's your day go? Last thing it's betting time. Hi. Bets are closed on the strikes. 3, 4, 9, 13. 1000x and 3. 250x and 4. Good luck. Double 6 and 4. 16 together, high number 16. 192 winners. Congratulations. Top 3, Mo, JK, and Nikki. Enjoy those winnings. Bets are open. Mo, great job, by the way. Don't forget about those side bets. Last second to betting time. And welcome to the newcomers. How are you doing today? Let's close any strikes. 9, 13, 14, any triple. 50x and any triple. 25x and 14. Let's go. Three, 4, 6. Hey! 13 together. High number 13 with a 15x multiplier. That's right. 174 winners with a multiplier. 197 winners in total. Alpha, Heb, Hoy. Top 3 winners. Great job. Bets are open. Last thing is bidding time. Bets are closed on the strikes. 15 high, low. 75x and 15 portion high, and 10x on low. Let's go. One, 2, 5. 8 to get a low number 8. And guess what? That's a 10x multiplier and a low number. 62 winners with multiplier. 196 winners in total. Enjoy those winnings. Azul, Abdul, Fick. Top 3 winners. Great job. Bets are open.